Softmax confidence versus uncertainty. In ML, you have definitely seen outputs like dog confidence 0.99, and human brain constantly converts that into it's basically true. But that conversion is mistake. Confidence is a model output number, not guarantee. Now pause and look at what I write. 0.99 confidence not equals to truth. This single line is the whole lesson of this video. I want you to feel the difference between sound sure and is sure. In ML models, can sound extremely sure and can still be wrong. This matters because ML systems don't just predict, they act based on confidence, approve, reject, recommend, flag, auto rotate, auto block. So, confidence is just not a number, it becomes a control signal in products. What is predictive confidence? This is a basically model saying, among the labels I know, I strongly prefer this one. That's it. It's not like model is saying that I checked reality and I am 99% sure. It's strength of preference signal produced by model's internal scoring. See the model scores that leads to confidence. That's the pipeline. Model does not output truth. It outputs scores, and then those scores get converted into probability like numbers. So confidence is computed value, and it can look clean. In classification, the model computes score and it chooses the class which has highest score. This is why confidence is not absolute. First, most classifiers output row score for each classes. These row scores are not probabilities. They are just internal signals that represent how much model leans towards each class. Example, like I am taking cat, dog, horse classes. Dog is the biggest score. It does not mean that model compared to real world and concluded dog is true. It means dog is strongest option among these three. Then conversion steps turns this row scores into probability like numbers, values between 0 to 1 and sum equals to 1. Now this is change. Largest probability like value is shown as confidence. So in practice, confidence is often just a topmost value. Notice why I asked you to see this. Like maximum always. It's like a not proof of correctness, but the top score is like valuable. I want to make you understand that confidence means best among available option. It does not mean definitely correct. So treat confidence as a relative winner score, not truth score. Even if the input is totally weird, the model still must select a label. So the model can be extremely confident, and simply because of one option look less wrong than others, that is why it forced winner. When the input is unfamiliar, let's check that case. The model is still going to give an output, and because standard classifier don't have rule or it can't give the option I don't know. This exactly Why we wrote unfamiliar is leading to risky. Because unfamiliar inputs are where models should be cautious. But default classifiers still speak confidently. That mismatch is start of reliability problem in production. Why high confidence can be wrong? Let's see few reasons in detail, like why high confidence can be wrong. The first reason is shortcuts. Let me write on a new screen. The model might learn an easy shortcut signal instead of true concept. Then it becomes confident for wrong reasons because of the shortcut is strong in training data. The model can be confident and still wrong because its confidence is tied to patterns it learned. Reason 2, training often encourages strong separation. So model output vary extreme scores like 0.99. Peak scores feels impressive but can be dishonest. Distribution shift in production, but model still outputs confidence as if the world is same. Confidence does not automatically adapt the new reality. Reason 4, the model must pick from fixed classes. But sometimes the true answer is like none of these, or since unknown is missing, it still need to pick a label with high confidence. This is extremely common